Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Ivoma Production with our yellow couch, of course. Lona uNhlanhla uFlora wakasithole, aka uMankomo. Angihambile ngedwa-ke. I'm with my colleague, the man behind the camera, uBonkosi Kubheka. Today we have our guest of honor, who's also my colleague naye, our prophetess, Umama Uvoli Mahlangu. We'll be talking about EGBVF, of which it's a topic that is happening each and every day that cuts across each and every time in our general life. Ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned. Let us welcome our prophetess Umamvoli Mahlangu to our podcast. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much for honoring the invitation.
Thank you so much.
This is our prophetess Mamvoli Mahlangu, a mother, a woman, a spiritual person. Welcome.
Thank you so much for accepting me and in this program. I thank you.
Mama Yazi, you in this day, like Espilagio, do you see how EGBVF is happening? The killings each and every day. Recently, we've got 2 killings, Samantombazana Mamelodi, and a man, imagine, a man has killed his wife and 2 children just because of the promotion. So today I want us to see, so you understand, you are a mother, you are there. What is this thing SFSI? Because it seems like we trend that is making sure we destroy one another.
This topic is so important. Gender-based violence is the thing that is happening. Njengoba usisho le story sakho yilokuthi sometimes inferiority complex abantu besilisa baba ne-inferiority complex and bese bayayifihla uyayibona kuba nomona of some sort angafuni ukudlula umuntu wesifazane ngoba phela hlala kushiwo ukuthi umuntu wesilisa afanele abe nemali akudlula isifazane kube uye the provider. So masiphela lokuthi akasese provider kufanele ukuthi uprovide umuntu owesimame uzomabuse physically, abuse spiritually, ngayo yonke indlela ukuze amfilise ukuthi I'm still a man.
Or ihambisana mental issues.
Exactly, ihambisana manhood nokuthi nje yithi siyamakhanda wena umuntu wesifazane ayisebenza yikho le 50-50 kodwa kuukuthi mina umuntu wesilisa afanele ngibe ngaphezulu kwakho. So mawuzobe ukuthi uzobeka ukudla etafuleni, so ubeka imali, so wenza kakhulu, umuntu wesilisa angazi udaleke kanjani, uvele azenyeze. Ukuzenyeza kwakhe bese afuna ukukufilisa ukuthi ngiyindoda. Uzokufilisa ngokuthi usezoqala manje bese akhulume nawe kabi, akubize ngamagama ngesikhathi avese akuthuke nje, yabo, bese iyakhuphuka kancane iqala verbal bese ile abuse, yes, bese iyachubeka kancane uyabheka ukuthi wena umhloniphanga kanjani, bese uyaqhubeka uzogcina sekakuphakamiseka isandla. Makuwukuthi ngathi uya standing for yourself, then kulapho ke kufika khona ukuthi kuyabulawana. And masabulalile sekabheka nengane athi angibulale nengane, omunye agcina ayibulala naye. Uyayibona? Mase sesiya spiritual bese lento siyibona futhi njengokuthi is demonic.
Yes.
Is demonic ngoba umuntu immediately abulala omunye noma kufikela ukuthi mina manje ngiyazibulala. Usuke kunama spirits, kunezinto ezirong ezimhlebelayo. Kahle hle lo muntu seka akasayi control, seka under control. Udinga prayers, it's either prayers, it's either udinga counseling. Understand? That is why it's so important ukuthi manishadile nithole counseling. Wena umuntu wesifazane makwenzeka ubona ukuthi cha mina manje nginemali and umyeni wami mhlawumbe uyashintsha akasangitreat kahle, bese uyamcela kahle nje ukuthi myeni wami asami so kwenza counseling, umchazele the psychologist ukuthi nayi issue nayi problem. Then makuloko kukhulunywa ama psychologists bafundile for that, uyakhona ubona ukuthi what is the root of this?
But thina yazi indlela emnyama mama, we've got this problem which we don't believe kulento yabo mental health.
Exactly.
Sinalento ukuthi no, just like depression, but depression is isifo sabelungu, and it's there. Sinayo lento le, and we are too ignorant to that. But ke mama mi yazi lento GBV ngithi mangiyibheka ingizwisa obuhlungu because masihamba nayo kahle njengalento eyenzekayo currently abantwini besifazane mama, ungathini ngale issue ye dependency kubantu besilisa or kunale gama elikhona lesentu bathi banamagutsumela ukuthi yabona mangifika asihleli nabangani bami uzothenga i-stroppers kudla imali yakhe and what so forth. So leyo mpilo leyo I think nayo iyalidela ekuthenini abantu besilisa bagcine baba nolaka phezulu kwabantu besifazane, because imagine the guy that killed the 2 girls eMamelodi, it is alleged ukuthi baphuze u10,000 wakhe kuleyo club leyo. So ngizibuza ukuthi thina abantu besifazane nathi, what is our problem? So as a mother, what would you say yithi thina abantwana abasakhulayo, especially girls, nge-independence yethu nalento ukuthi a man must, sinale nkinga leyo ukuthi a man must?
Inkinga enkulu mntana mnyama, umbuzo obalekile loyo. Sekunalezinto ekuthiwa ama-girlfriend allowance. Into eyayingekho ekuqaleni kusho ukuthi kahle kahle lento ayisahambi ngothando, seyihamba ngemali. And umuntu wesilisa makazokhipha imali, he will also be expecting something out of that. That is why usanale isicelo sokuthi bekade baphuza i10,000 yakhe. Then after that uzothola ukuthi bebamswera ukuthi who are you, what yabona thina wena not gonna yabona kusho ukuthi nathi abantu besifazane siyayipusha this thing. Understand? Si-end up siyiphusha ngoba uzodla imali yomuntu kanti umuntu ubhekile, and at the end of the day wena usafuni ukuthi kube phela into yokuthandana inika kahle. Ngelinye ilanga ukukhiphile ukusile mhlawumbe uhola nge-25 uthethe wakhipha okudlisa esibheke, mawuhola nge-30 nawe mthathe kube yinika. You understand?
Kahle it's a mutual benefit.
Exactly. So thina abantu besifazane siba nalento ukuthi umuntu wesilisa must, bese ujika futhi wena umuntu wesifazane uhamba ngabe uyamchithela ngapha udla imali yakhe, ngeke kubulala, uzobulala. Lesikhathi uthengele nemoto ukwenzele konke uthatha nemoto yakhe uyochitha ngayo. Ake ukuthi nathi abantu besifazane ke silunge, because abantu besilisa baba nenye enga enzima kakhulu. Ngeke ngabona ngayibona enye ku TikTok, I think it was last year. This guy bekamphatha kahle this woman, ngathi bekade emchithela umthatha ombulala lesigangeni.
Just imagine.
There was an issue again khona ngala. The woman ngathi bahlukene oqala amabhizinisi after ngemali yalo muntu wahluma waba kahle, masakahle wajikela lo muntu. Lo muntu sekambona nomunye umuntu. Understand? Wathi ngamane ngokubulala. So even women, we need to be very, very careful.
So kahle this thing, both women and men are participating kulento ye-GBV.
Exactly. Nayi la ikhona. Thina abantu besifazane siyakhuluma ngithi umuntu wesilisa akakhulumi. Bonke lobuhlungu buyahlala, buyapakelana. Uyakhumbula the day buyophuma sekuthi ngalelanga you did this, ngaleli wenza lokho, ngaleli wenza lokho, ngalokho. Seka naleso sihlubu sokuthi ukubulala ukuthi ngamane. Understand?
Yes, but lento abantu besilisa, you know, prophetess, blame kakhulu kithi abomama when we are raising a boy child. Kumbula ukuthi sikhulisa abantwana bethu like indoda ayikhali. No.
Exactly.
You like, for example, umntana intombazana uyabekela isikhathi ukuthi la ekhaya by 3 o'clock ilanga lingashoneli estradini, but umfana we don't offer the same protection. Kahle nathi siya contribute creating lento yokuthi bafele ngaphakathi, because siyaba program ukuthi bakhule ngaleyo ndlela leyo. So as a mother, yiphi indlela ongabona ukuthi singashintsha ngayo ekukhuliseni a boy child?
Yeah, umntana womfana mtshela iqiniso. And then into fanele sibafundise futhi kuyabheka kuya futhi shaya ukuthi abantu besifazane lithi iBhayibheli umuntu wesifazane uya hlonipha umyeni, uyamhlonipha umyeni, uza nani umyeni, uza nothando. So about this umuntu wesifazane uza nenhlonipho. Angithi bese asibafundisi namantombazana wethu akahloniphi, amhloniphi lo muntu ahlala naye. Ngapha umfuna imali, ngapha uhambe kale phezulu uma unganiki ngizokulahla sometimes umntana abandakanayo naleyo mali you understand so abantwana bethu nathi masibakhulisa sibatshela ukuthi mthanda umuntu wakho and enye into ebalulekile is communication communicate umfundisi ukuthi fanele a-communicate nomuntu wakhe amtshela ukuthi I don't love this and that and that and that and ukucommunicate makunga-communicate-wa masekuliwa masekuliwa ngathi kungaba nale nto ukuthi kufundiswane ukuthi noma umfundisi umntanakho ukuthi ubothule masekukubi uthobe bese ngalesikhathi kumnandi bese lesikhathi ngihlala phansi senakhuluma ukuthi kodwa sithandwa sami angithandanga lena umtshela kumnandi uyamfundisa lo mntanakho womfana ukuthi izinto mazenziwe ngokuthula ngoba ikhaya lokuthula yilo elimnandi yilo futhi engabi easy ukuthi kugcine kubulawe.
So peace is everything.
Peace is everything. Communication. That's a tool.
Okay.
Akukhulunyiswane, uboniswane, lokho angikuthandi. Ngithanda kumnandi, sithandwa sami. Noma you go out nje, la noma kundawo nje e-center ningabi sekhaya. Nibe sendaweni nje engaphandle. You go out or you have a dinner or something and then you go there kumnandi bese niyabonisana ukuthi ngithanda ukuthi ungithathe kanje nami ngizokuthatha kanje phela remember emshadweni noma ku relationship kuyabekezelelwana awukwazi ukuthi mina ngifuna kwenzeke kanje ngami kube wena you understand because sometimes kuyenzeka sishade uthola ukuthi asifani that is why uthola ukuthi abantu besilisa sometimes ngoba bajonga usho ukuthi kuthiwe ungakhali bothule thola umuntu wesilisa aphuza utshwala ngendlela bangalisaya dabwe andisekandaka ukuthi ubalekela ini i-reality yes
No, I'm actually learning a lot myself from you today. It's quite a blessing having you in our show. So yazi le nto ye-GBV ngiyayibona ukuthi kahle kahle inkinga yakhona incane idinga ukuthi si-understandane sazi ukuthi relationships are mutual, are not for an individual benefit.
Exactly.
So now, Tinala Edelnas in Zakan, we're having a challenge Yamari, Mama. Wabantwana, like each and every week, when states, so we maybe 2 or 3 Yabantwana Bareji between the ages of 10. I mean, between the ages of 4 to 10 years. So, I understand mina mangizibuza like ngiwani ukuthi okay yini into ehalisa emntwaneni why would you rape a child because khumbula ukuthi benzani they are no longer raping ayisithi i-mindset yethu ithi urape umntwana ontombazana kuphela they are also molesting the boy so I want to understand lapho ukuthi ifike njani lapho how did you get there if wena uyibheka ngendlela yakho at your position that you are in
inzima kakhulu yazi umntwana wentombazana ngazi ngoba manje sekwenzeka both sides abantwana kahle kudinga thina abazali sibe neso nakho ukuthi usemsebenzini umntwana wakho kuma crash thole aftercare I remember bengisebenza eGauteng ngifika late umntwana wami ngangimtholele aftercare ngimlanda ngenze sure ukuthi senginaye la ngoba nangathi uyabheka abantwana babafana that is why abanye sebashintsha ubulili bashintshise ukuthi kwenzeke lento kubo base bafika ukuthi I think this is good
or they lost the identity
base balahlekelwa i-identity yabo uyabona abantwana bethu uyabona into yokuthanda imali yabona imali inkinga ngoba nomuntu wesilisa uzolala naye lokamnika imali akasho nakafika endlini akatsheli umzali lo alokampha imali lo baba omdala lo sile you understand ngibonile-ke mina njengoba kusesikoleni kwenzekile ebantwaneni abaningi ubuhlungu uthola ukuthi umntwana noma hleli eklasini umntwana uyambona ukuthi akusesewuye le khadi yayibona nje ukuthi kumosheke umoshekile psychologically wise uyayibona sekalimele uzoze ayiveze nakhona sekangasayivezi nakumzali nathi abazali siyathetha kakhulu sometimes hlala nomntanakho yenza umntanakho umngani wakho xoxa naye yazi bokwenzeka kanje usixoxa futhi lezinto thina sesinokuthi sithi no this thing is a taboo angikwazi ukuthi ngikhulume ngento enje nomntanami thina sikhulisa kumama bamandebele ubaba bamandebele into eningi bekade bangazifundisi kufanele uzuyifundele wena mina ngikhumbula ezinto eziningi ngiqala ukuya e-university ngene Wits University ngashobana nomuntu wesifazane wemlungu ngiyazi abelungu ngeke angihleke ngangibuza yena ukuthi makulokhu kwenzakalani makuyilokhu kwenzakalani makuyilokhu kwenzakalani. So it's very important ukuthi abantwana bethu even mhlambe sicele sibe nama what is it ama-teachers ey'kolweni nakunama-parents meeting sicele the LO teachers ukuthi abantwana bakhulume abantwana mababaphi ama-1-on-1 yabo kukhulunywa nge-life so that abantwana bazobhoboka basiveze lesigebengu esilala nabantwana bethu asizame sibagcokise kahle nabantwana bethu asibagcokise kahle ngoba kwesinye isikhathi umntwana sinaye siyamgcokisa simgcokise lo kanti lokunye sekambhekile ukuthi
especially the teenagers.
Exactly. And then abantwana bethu sibagcokisa ngale ndlela sibagcokisa ngayo bathi umuntu wesilisa ngokubona nje sekumoshekile umntwana uyadlala ignorantly so uyabo ngale ndlela adlala ngayo lo sekamcabangela into ebhekana uthi ngiyomnikeza imali ngibona abantwana abaningi umntwana grade 8 noma 13 years pregnant umuntu osebenza imali
Imagine.
yes kufanele ukuthi thina sigcina sithi no for your case this is abuse asikhathi umntwana athi angeke umntwana sekulwa yena phela lo mthekile impahla ukwenzela bona sizibonile
So now poverty is contributing.
Poverty is contributing.
No, thank you so much, prophetess, for joining us today. Sicela ushiye nje namazwi okuphila and then we wrap it up.
Amazwi okuphila engakusho ukuthi ake sithi ngiyazi thina indle emnyama asinako lokho. Kodwa ke sifundeni ukuthi la emshadweni si-attend ama-conferences wabantu abashadile. Sifunde ukuthi siphathana kanjani izosiza kakhulu le nto le izoqeda nento ye-abuse izofundisa ukuthi abantu ababe romantic kunokube babe abusive kunobakhe edlamini ohlala awenza lama conferences siyawadinga abantu besifazane okuwumuntu wesifazane nje awa-attende ukuthi kuzovuselela uthando kuzophela lezimpi ngoba abantu bayana abantu abasanikani uthando sekuyaliwe yiko abantu bagcina babulalana yibona neyimali neyindaba zeyimali ake sifundele ukwenza amawili nasinabantwana senzele nabantwana bethu amawili ngoba kwesinye isikhathi indoda ingakubulalela ukuthi nemali ikubulalela ukuthi le mali bangabulala yonke izakini kodwa mawenzile amawili wadistributela abantwana bakho naye wamupha ompha kona okuncane I'm telling you ezinye izinto asiyigwemeni asihlakanipheni
Of course, anti-prevention is better than cure. No, thank you so much. Guys, you've all heard it from our prophetess, Umama Uvoli Mahlangu, Onendlebe Uzwile. That's it from us, Ivoma Production. Unhlanhla wakasithoyelona, aka Umankomo. Good night.